ense boigo nigo bono aigereire obwamate bwense ya Kenya na Amerika hasa tebiro kubwaterana kwabo nigo kwabekire ense ya Kenya siri bagari tangani asogoikerania kobeka ese yemekataba yogokinia esekta yobo chenu ensengima ense ya Kenya bono nigera chekonyora chilingi chibilion ichimibere na isano na isatu asegeka kimya ketane rubusio ase okoigwana okwabegitu ese ichika kyomurai bwense aikiranita setario bene imeyense ya Amerika eiki yaita nigaringi ko yakwana iga asumuiga oikomina kabere oyuho chirentamo chiserikali chechi county hamone area nene ase okomurekera obwamate bwabo nabo gokoringorio bokoreri asaba na inchi nabo gokwanekia magendro na chigoikiraniwa ase chinsemo chonsi muri kito Julia obuba na twargane robot rwa senchiro bikira
Gokwana asome yugikomina kabere oyo gochirenta me serikali ene na mona chirichechi county komurekoro bwamate bwaba mona koringoro bokereri asaba na inchi oyana kigwa senyombe ene oboraime yo mochio Nairobi omorai bwense William RUTO ni gaegerire getambe kerege serikali ya Amerika goche gotoma chibesa choko konya sekta yobo chenu wetera sama shirika ya serikali maminchanari atari ya serikali.
It was also necessary for us to further consolidate the relationship between the United States and Kenya by signing an agreement on matters health. That agreement was a request by the government of Kenya because health is one of the big tickets that between the national government and the county governments we have been focusing on for the last 3 years. And it is because many families, many people in Kenya have suffered a great deal. Many people, in fact, estimates have put it at almost 1 million families every year sink into poverty and debt because of hospital bills. And therefore, it became a concern for us as citizenry in Kenya. It became a campaign matter for all parties in the last election, and we have robustly and aggressively undertaken far-reaching reforms in that sector.
Omorai bwense baigoni gaegeriro bwamate bwense ya Kenya na Amerika asa tebiro kubaterana kwabo nigo kwabekire ense ya Kenya siri bagari tangani asuguikerana kobeke se ya seme kataba yogo kinia sekta yobo chenu ensengima ense ya Kenya bono nigera achikonyera chishilingi chibilion chimibere na isano na isato asigika kie myaka etane rebosio asoko igwana kwabegetwe se ichinga kyo morai bwense akorete taro ya bene imeyense ya Amerika wiki ya eta.
For the people of Kenya, the United States is supporting Kenya with $1.6 billion, which is just over 200 billion shillings over the next 5 years in the health sector, a sector they have been supporting for a long time. In fact, the numbers show that the United States has spent $7 billion in Kenya on matters health over time.
Kukwana asome yugojo bo igono makonyi bo marai bwense kidure kindiki amono monyekero go bweturetia wa governor Ahmed Abdullahi nigo bakwaniro kuganio kukoro asoko ene ke serikali chechi county amone area nene kubatira na chira ko ene ke magendro amono bakoreri ngo ikabora saba na nchi.
My observation that we have done well, but we could do better. And one of the areas where I think we need to improve is on operationalizing the workings of subordinate structures of devolution so that to retain the summit as the highest policy directing organ of the Republic of Kenya in matters devolution.
We appreciate the continued efforts by the National Treasury to stabilize the equitable share disbursement schedule. However, there remains critical issues requiring summit direction. The same will be discussed at length. And agenda number 7, they include SHA reimbursements, road maintenance levy fund, costing of devolved functions, and the passage of the County Government's Additional Allocation Act among others.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.